Are you looking to sell or buy a property in North Luzon? Visit our website at remaxarea.com to know more about how our team can help you.
Hi, this is Vijay from Remax Area and welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Woodsgate Subdivision, Camp 7 here in Baguio City, and we're looking at a brand new house and lot for sale. This property has a lot area of 263 square meters with a floor area of approximately 342 square meters. Inside the house, we have 4 bedrooms. We also have 4 parking spaces. So tara, pasok tayo. So upon entering the house, dito tayo sa ating, so dito sa property na to, we have 3 gates. So one for your car and another parking space doon sa kabila, and this is your main entrance. Alright, so this house has 3 floors. We have this ground floor, second floor, and meron tayong basement, which is papakita namin later on. So dito naman tayo sa first floor, you have your living area. So very spacious siya, and you also have a fireplace. So perfect yan on the holidays or pag tag-ulan na sa Baguio, perfect yan to warm up yung ating space. So dito naman, we have our dining area. So ito, currently we have 2, 4, 6, a 6-seater, pero feeling ko pwede nyo pa, kung mas malaki yung family nyo, baka pwede pa siyang palakihin kasi marami pa siyang space. So dito naman this is your first balcony kasi itong bahay na to medyo marami-rami yung ating balcony. So you have a spacious balcony na siguro if you want, you can put a siguro outdoor dining space. So kunyari breakfast, you want to have coffee dito sa labas habang feel niyo yung breeze ng Baguio. That's good. Naman, balik tayo dito. So this is your kitchen area. So you have this kitchen island here and you have your breakfast nook dyan. And you have your counter space. Malaki siya. So you have your double sinks over here. Tapos you have storage up here and storage down. So wala kang problem sa storage when it comes to this house. And meron ka na ring ref. Yan. Okay, tapos meron ka dito yung ating gas range. So this is kasama na siya sa bahay. So yung mga appliances kasama na siya sa bahay. So you don't have to worry about that. Dito naman is your powder room. So if you have gas, yan yung pwede nilang gamitin. Oh, now, meron pa akong papakita sa inyo dito. So, you actually also have a mini bar dito. Yan. So, if you like entertaining friends and families, ganda tong spot na to. So, you can make siguro coffee or alcohol or kung anumang drinks na gusto nyo. And meron pa kayong seating here. Yan. So, now, bago tayo umakyat, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung basement. So, meron tayong access from here. So, you have an access dito sa garahe. So, kunyari, galing kayo sa wet market and ayaw nyong ipasok dun sa main entrance yung ating mga pinamili. Pwede siya dito. So, diretso siya doon sa ating kitchen area. Now, dito, we have a stairs going down. Kung makikita nyo, andito rin yung ating tangke. And you have a wide space here na siguro kung may mga dogs kayo, perfect to. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng kennel over here, perfect sila dito. Or you have extra gamit na gusto nyo i-store, pwede siya dyan. But here, sa likod ng bahay is we actually have like a wide open space. So kung may mga kids, yan, pwede maglaro dito. You can walk the dogs here, pwede sila dyan. You can also have like siguro outdoor dining space. Yan. Gusto nyo mag-garden, pwede rin dito. So dito naman, sa basement, this one is actually separated from the main house. So dito, ideally, if you have guests, siguro, pwede sila dito sa isang kwarto dito. Kasi this one is actually maluwang siya. So you also have your built-in cabinets. Nag-echo lang. Yan. Yan. Tapos, they have their own toilet and bath. and their kitchen area. Kasi supposedly, this one naman is your maid's quarters or driver's quarters. Yan. So, kung nakita nyo, doon tayo dumaan pababa kanina. Dito naman, let's go up here because this is a wrap around. So, you can fit 2 cars doon sa kabila and you can also fit about 2 cars din dito. Yan. So, kung marami kayong sasakyan, wala kang problema sa parking dito kasi you have 4. Yan. Here. Tapos, balik tayo. So, you have your front, tapos yun pala, separated. For the 2 cars here, meron siyang separate na gate. For the 2 cars on the other side, meron din siyang sariling gate. Now, we have a front garden. Yan. Now, akyat tayo sa may second floor. So, dito sa second floor, we have the rest of the bedrooms. So, dito naman tayo. Dito sa landing, sa may you have a common area na pwede siyang seating. Kunyari, kung gusto nyo, kung ayaw nyo bumaba. Pwede siguro kayo maglagay ng TV somewhere. Or pwede itong maging study. Yan. So, kung ano gusto nyo gawin dyan, pwede. Yan. So, the first bedroom here, ang maganda pala dito sa mga bedrooms dito is maluluwang sila and they have their own toilet and bath. So, for this one, ang view mo dito from here, unfortunately, this one, wala siyang balcony ha. So, dito, you can see yung inside ng ating subdivision. So, yan, you have your built-in cabinets, which is good. Yan. So, di ka na kailangan bumili ng dresser or whatnot. So, you have your cabinets and you have a desk over here for the kids. Kung nag-aaral, pwede sila dyan. Perfect yan. Dito naman tayo, we have your toilet and bath and your huge shower. Yan. Okay. So, next one, katabi lang niya, is another bedroom. So, it's the same size. Tapos, you also have, syempre, your own toilet and bath. At ang maganda rito is you have your balcony with this beautiful view. Yan. So, itong balcony na to, kita nyo, mahaba to ka. So, it's an end-to-end. And it's a joint balcony dun sa ating master's bedroom. Yan. So, you have here yung view ng ating radar, Santo Tomas. Yan, ganda. Now, balik tayo dito. Dun tayo papasok. So, the last bedroom here is your master. So, the master is same lang din siya. Medyo mas malaki lang siya ng onte compared to the other bedrooms. Pero meron din siyang ensuite na toilet and bath. So, if you have, kunyari nag-rush kayo in the morning, hindi kayo kailangan mag-share ng mga toilet and baths because you have your own in your room. So again, out to the balcony, you have the same view. Nice, very nice. Okay. Ngayon naman, di pa tayo tapos. Medyo marami pa tayong space. So here is an access to your front terrace. Terrace, balcony, terrace, yan. So you have this huge space. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng seating area, you can lounge around here, or gusto nyo mag-barbecue, pwede siguro dito. Well, pwede kayo mag-barbecue sa baba, pwede rin kayo mag-barbecue here. If you want to entertain guests, pwede kayo dito. Tapos, you can see the front of your house from here. Yan. Alright, just to recap, this house is brand new. Inside a gated subdivision, and it's a quiet neighborhood with this beautiful view. So again, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, plus 1 powder room, and then you have 4 parking spaces. Tapos, meron ka pang separate parang unit sa basement for the drivers or maid's quarters, or maybe a guest room. So that's it for our property tour for today. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more properties in North Luzon.